Hello guys, thank you so much for being here again. This is a new video. So in the last video, we talked about where and how to find some great and good domain names. So we went through the process step by step with our first practicing website. So today also we'll go with the second website on where and how to find great domain names. So our website today would be InstantDomainSearch.com. So let's get started. So you just go to your browser again and just type in InstantDomainSearch.com, and here is the website. So you can just type in your keyword again, for example, finance. And as you can see, finance.com is taken. So we'll just go down and you can just check here from the sections we have here in the website. We have other extensions. You can check one by one. And sometimes if you see this buy with green, normally it means that the domain is available, but you have to double check that. Then you can just go with other options. If you want to see all the extensions, just click see all. Otherwise, you can just check with generator as well. As you can see here, we have finance.com, we have beautyfinance.com, we have perfectfinance.com. For example, this one, we'll just click buy now and check if it's available. No, it's not. As I said earlier, sometimes the bot make mistakes. Even it's taken, then it shows it's available. So you can just go one by one, just click buy now. Otherwise, you can just copy and paste in Excel sheet. Then at the end, you can just check everything like at once. So ask finance, for example, click buy now. As you can see, it's not available again. So we'll just click see all. But before that, as you can see, here is like a third option here, domains for sale. If you are willing to get some good and quality domain name listed already for sale, you can just go with this option. You can even load more, but we'll go with this option. So we'll click see all. As you can see here, there are many options. Like from here, as you can see, ask finance. So we will just go one by one and just check with like clicking on the button buy now. As you can see, it's not available also, as I said, because already we have like a strong keyword, which is finance. So most domain names are taken already. So for example, this is just an example. So finance, as you can see, finance is available, even it's not a great one, but this is just an example, as I said. So you can just go one by one again. This is a great website to check. Yeah, if you are looking for some great and good domain names or brand name for your business. So just check other options like other keywords, other niches, and just check them one by one. It's a great website. Also, they have one option I will just show you. For example, a huge panel is one of my domain names. So if you are like me, if English is not your first language, sometimes you don't know how to pronounce like a word or like a phrase, you can just write it here and just click pronounce. They pronounce it like American accent.
Hugepanel.com.
So as you can see, hugepanel.com. This one is a little bit easier, but we can go with something like short domain names. For example, this one is one of my domain names as well. You can just click pronounce.
Betted.com.
As you can see, it's pronounced bido.com, so it's easy to pronounce and very short. So would be like perfect brand name for some like hotel or motel or some online traveling website or agency. So this is just an example. We have docaf also.
Docaf.com.
As you can see, it's same, very short, like easy to pronounce, easy to spell. Even DOCAF is easy to spell. Even if you hear it from advertisement on the radio or something, then you can just like write it right away. This is the important thing from getting some great and good domain names for your brand or your clients, as we said before. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got again some value from this video. This was our second website on how to find some great domain names. Wish you good luck. Thank you so much for being here once again. Mustapha was here, MrFulltime.com.